Hi guys, and welcome back to Superdrug TV with me, Daisy Maskell. Our show today is beauty packed to the brim. We've got a double cleanse masterclass with Nivea, showing us all the hacks that you need to get your face fresh and ready for summer. Then the one, the only Miss Baga Chipz will be with us, talking about their experience with Pride. We've also got an amazing beauty battle with Windust and Tori West fighting it out to create the best Pride look and choose their favourite products. Before we get to all of that, don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell so you never miss an episode. We've got so much good stuff coming up in the next few weeks. Amazing product exclusives to Superdrug, and the gorgeous Molly King is coming up too. Make sure you don't miss any of it. Let's catch up now with Jamie and Tori, who have got two amazing Pride looks.
Well, yes, hello. I am Jamie Windust.
And I'm Tori West.
And this is the big
beauty battle. And we're going to be setting up two Pride looks. Yes, two. One by me, one by Jamie. Who's going to win? Fight to the death.
Fight to the death. Look at those nails. She's ready. Look at us here in a big beauty battle, putting on this lovely blush.
I feel like I've known you forever because of the internet.
I don't think I could tell you the last time I saw you, but I think of you pretty much every day. Do you know what I mean?
Right, I'm going to do this thing that I learned from Kylie Jenner. I'm really bad at making things symmetrical.
My makeup is never symmetrical. Amongst my close peers, they call me Jamie Wonky Lip because my lipstick is never symmetrical, but who cares?
I've just got this new t-shirt that I'm feeling inspired by it, so I think I'm going to copy the colour palette backwards. So I think a blue and a purple.
So Tori blue, I'm gonna go into the pink. And I am a big fan. Do you know what? My makeup has changed a lot in the past year. We've gone the other way. You know, we used to be wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Now we're just wham bam, you know?
You've always seemed to adapt your look and you can do so many things, whereas I swear I've literally had the same makeup look since I was like 13.
But I think it's because, I tell you what, it's because I don't have any eyebrows. So like when I shave my face, I just go over with the electric razor. It was so fun when I did it. I was like, this is like almost like a new face. I can now take my eyeshadow up into the heavens. So I just do a big blob.
Oh my God, that looks fantastic.
Big blob of colour, and then we blend it out. I'm going to blend it out with these peachy ones.
Blending out. Maybe I'll do some blending out. I'm not copying you, I'm just inspired.
This is a battle. How's Pride been for you this year? I know it's been difficult for a lot of people.
So this is going to be the first Pride where I've stopped drinking because I feel like it helps my anxiety, right?
I love that. Do you know what? Twinsies, same. I stopped drinking last July.
I love that you've done the blended colour and then put another colour at the bottom. It's really inventive.
Do you know what I love about you though, is that when you do makeup, you always do a very good eye. Like there's always some good colour in what you do.
Look at this, I've got this. This is a new thing as well.
Incredibrow.
Incredibrow, never tried this before.
Back in the day, I used to have awful insecurities about my skin. That was one of the first reasons why I got into makeup, was because I was like, oh, this can cover my face. But then it took on a whole completely artistic level, and I was like, I love it. I don't care. I started watching people who, you know, had the same skin as me, people with problematic skin, and it became less of a tool to like cover and more of a tool to show people more of me. Look at this, please. It's liquid eyeshadow. That's a bit of fun, isn't it?
Oh wow, that's so bright.
How do you feel about the Welsh queer community?
Yeah, I grew up. I came out when I was 15 as bi, and I literally did it in the most iconic way, actually, to change the subject, but I didn't tell anyone. I just started just doing things, and I basically would just change my MySpace sexual orientation. And then one day my dad texted me and he just was like, so you're bisexual now? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, okay. That's just how we went with it. And then ever since, like with other family members, they'd be like, what are you doing tonight? I was like, I'm just gonna go on a date with this girl, and they'd be like, okay.
You know what? Nothing says queer joy than throwing on a lash.
Oh my God, okay, you have to talk me through.
Is this the first time?
Easy on me, okay?
So I'm just letting my glue dry. Just hold it there. I've put a gloss on and it's pretty bright.
What do you think?
I think you've absolutely nailed it.
I have, right? So these are Pride makeup looks. I've gone for, I wanted to match my t-shirt because I went in really without plan. So I took inspiration from that. So I've got one side that's like lilac purple and the other side blue. Trying to come out of my comfort zones with this look, I would say.
I've gone avant-garde. We've not got any eyebrows, so we've popped an eyebrow on. We've gone shimmer, we've gone pink. We've popped a bit of liner on everywhere because why not? Look at that inner corner. It's like a mirror.
Stunning. Wow.
Thank you. But there are no winners here. We've both won because we've got to spend time together. We had a good old shimwag and we both look absolutely stunning.
I just want to do this all the time now. I'm like, all right, I love you.
Love you lots.
You're watching Superdrug TV. Peace out.
Now we're continuing to celebrate Pride Month with the amazing Baga Chipz. Take it away, Baga.
Hello, it's me, Baga Chipz MBE here, and I am here to tell you some of the highs of my life and also some of the lows. Since RuPaul Drag Race Season 1 UK, oh my God, it's been amazing. Oh, some of the highlights have been working for Superdrug, of course, performing all over the world, being on many, many TV shows, Celebrity MasterChef, Celebrity Pointless, Celebrities Go Pooper Scooping. It's just changed my life. The downside of it is me getting papped going to the shops. I can't even buy a chicken tikka masala from the local supermarket without getting hounded by the press. About 20 billion people love me since that show. It's been incredible. The fans love me. I wave at them in the street, sign autographs. They're just so lovely, so supportive. I love all my fans with all my heart. It's the press and they write all these stories and half of them ain't even true. Oh, apparently I've been talking to a Premier League footballer. He's not a Premier League footballer, he plays for County. No right timing coming out. You come out when you want to do, you know what I mean? You come out when you feel it's right to come out. So I know I've got friends who came out very young. I've got friends who came out in their 60s, you know what I mean, with kids. I basically never came out because I basically tap danced out of the womb. My mum was like, if he's not gay, then I'm Tina Turner, you know what I mean? I'm quite lucky. I've got a very supportive family and they're just very supportive, and if your family is not supportive, there is so much help out there. You can phone Switchboard and they can help you if you are suffering at home with homophobia from family or friends. It depends on your family. If you have a very supportive family who are loving and you feel safe, that's what it's about, being safe, then you just tell them, say, Mom, because that's if I said to my mum, Mom, I want to put some makeup on, she'd be like, yeah. And there might be males in the family, but just tell them, say, Baga Chipz said it's absolutely fine. If you've got a problem, meet her outside this pub at this time and I'll have it out with her. I think that anyone in the world should be able to do what they want to do, and if that means wearing makeup, you put all that makeup on, darling, and look your best. You might not look this good, but you can try. My first drag look was an Amy Winehouse look. So I did the iconic Amy Winehouse batwing. I had little hot pants on, little shorts, denim shorts. I wore some ballet pumps, just a bra. And it was just very Amy Winehouse walking around the streets of Camden vibe look. When I started getting more into it, I started getting a bit more glamorous. So then I'd start wearing like Cheryl Cole kind of hair. And then I started becoming a professional performing drag queen. So then that's when all the sequins and the feather boas and the diamonds and the wigs came out. but I've got more wigs than Cher. So some days I'm Audrey Hepburn, some days I'm Audrey Roberts. It's like, it depends what mood I'm in. To people who want to be like me, I would say, seek help. I'm only joking. If you want to be like me, you need to just exude confidence. Walk into a room like you own it. Be yourself, and love those around you. And like I said, even if your family's a bit of a, you know what I mean, if they're not very supportive, we get to choose our family in life. Right, these are the 3 changes you need to make in your life to get Baga Chipz confident. You need to look in the mirror 3 times a day and be like, oh my God, you are so sexy. You are so beautiful. You are so amazing. And do that in the mirror 3 times. Number 2, you've got to cleanse, tone and moisturise. You've got to do it. You've got to look after your skin. Don't fall asleep in your makeup, because the day after, oh, believe me, it's so bad for your skin. So just look after your skin and your skin will feel much better. And my 3rd tip is, and this is the most important thing, elegance. Be elegant, be classy, be demure, and most importantly, be safe. So those were the highs and the lows of my life and how to be more like me. Baga Chipz MBE. I've been with Superdrug, Superdragging. I'll see you soon. Much better.
Hi Daisy, it's Olivia here. I am going to be showing you how to take off all of your makeup using a double cleanse routine using Nivea products. I'm really excited to show you. Okay, so first up guys, we have the Refreshing Face Wash by Nivea. It's moisturising with vitamin E in it, so it's just perfect for me. I absolutely need to have so much moisture in my skincare. So I've just wet my face and now I'm gonna apply the face wash using quite a generous amount. There's so much in this product and it just lasts so long. Massage this into your skin in upwards motions. And yeah, it just feels so smooth and gorge. Having a nice like face wash and making sure that you unclog those pores when you're using fake tan is everything. Right, so once you've rubbed that in, I'm gonna use a wet flannel and just remove the product, and I'll show you how amazing it is at removing makeup because my flannel is gonna be orange. I got this super white flannel that people at home are probably like, oh my God, don't use that white flannel, it's gonna ruin it. But I just want you to be able to see how great it is. And it removes it so well, look at that. So that's our first step of the cleanse, and now we're gonna move on to the second step of the cleanse. So my face is feeling pretty fresh already, but I reckon we can get fresher. Look at the state of that. So next up we have the gentle exfoliating scrub. You can use this sort of 2 to 3 times a week. You don't always have to double cleanse. This also has vitamin E in it, so it's super moisturizing. So yeah, onto a wet face and just really, this is really smooth. It's so nice, it really refreshes your face. Right, so again, after you have used the exfoliating face wash, just you can rinse it off with lukewarm water, because that's still getting makeup off. So you can sort of see how deep this cleansing routine is. It's just so nice, like I said, for when you feel like you really need a refresh. Oh, it just feels so soft. I'm about to put on their Refreshing Day Cream. It also has SPF in it, which is absolutely key to keeping your skin nice and fresh and revitalized and safe from the sun. Even if it's cloudy, I need you guys to be wearing your SPF. So this is the perfect little product for me. It's really easy and calm on the skin. I think SPF has got to be one of my favorite things in skincare, just because I know how important it is. Let me tell you a couple of my beauty hacks, because I would always try and remove mascara that I'd accidentally got on my skin after doing my eyes when it was wet. No honey, no. You have to wait till it goes dry, and then you just literally flick it off with a spoolie and it comes straight off. You don't get anything left on your skin. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. And also another one that I learned, because I'm actually so rubbish at eyeshadow, when you want a really strong eyeshadow edge, you just use tape. I mean, I'm sure everyone knows this, but if you don't, that's one of my favorite beauty hacks as well. So that is all rubbed in and my face feels super soft. You can see like I've got a glow now, which I didn't have before. It feels really clean, and that is literally all you could want from your skin regime. So obviously if it is the night, we also have the moisturising night cream, which you can use instead. So this night cream is an intensive moisture and regeneration cream. So obviously you're going to be wearing this at night. It's going to be seeping into your skin all night. It's rich with lotus extract and also antioxidant and vitamin B5. So it's absolutely incredible for your skin to regenerate overnight and make you feel absolutely amazing in the morning and protect your skin from radicals the next day. Moisturizer is literally in all of these products. It's got vitamin E in it, so every single step you're making sure your skin is nice and moisturized and enriched with vitamin E, which is the vibe. I'm obsessed. So guys, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed that double cleanse routine and you are able to put that into your own skincare routine. Have the most amazing summer, and it is back to the studio to you, Daisy.
And that is it for this week. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week.